So, hello. If you're preparing for NEET or any other competitive exam, stop and listen. Competitive exam is not just an exam, it's a mental and emotional battlefield, anxiety, loneliness, and burns out. No one's talk about the dark side of NEET preparation or any other competitive exam held under Indian education system, but today I will encounter the topics which are very essential कि आप लोगों को पता हो before starting your NEET. Talk about the pressure. पहली चीज तो it's the pressure. The pressure is insane. Imagine this: you wake up, you just study, you eat, you study, you sleep, and just repeat. Your entire life revolves around one exam. The ultimate failure is crushing. And let's be real: the pressure from parents, relatives, and the society is unbearable. It's actually unbearable, right? The result: the panic attacks, self doubts, and endless what if I fail thoughts. I do have these thoughts very frequent, but trust me, it does not matter. All that matters is how you control your thoughts, how you behave towards them. So if you are somebody with the same issue, stop obsessing over ranks and focus on progress, because focusing on progress and not perfection is gonna lead you towards a healthy preparation years. Take small mental breaks. A fresh brain learns faster than a messed up brain. Okay. Number two topic: social life. Social life is completely gone, yaar. Friendships, what is that? Movies? What the hell is even that? Enjoyment? NEET preparation kills your social life. You start feeling like, am I a robot? Yeah, you do feel like that, stuck in a loop of books and tests and years. And worst of all, the loneliness hits hard, way harder a truck will hit you. So you see your school friends moving on with their lives, but you still stuck between NCRTs and mock tests. It's completely unbearable, and it's gonna bring you to the same cycle of overthinking. You're gonna think endless thoughts, and you're gonna waste your time, and you're gonna waste your energy, and you're gonna degrade your mental health. So just talk to your friends, families, at least for 30 minutes daily. It won't ruin your preparation. Trust me with this one. Being a dropper, I know what I am speaking. And join online study groups. You need a support system. But online study groups can be distracting sometimes. So while you're studying, do not engage with them. When you're not studying, absolutely you can engage with them. Okay. The third most factor, I absolutely hate this one. Like, it's my personal, I'm not personal hating, but this is what I have been scammed off from very famous coachings as well. The coaching scam, like, boom, let's get real. Some coaching centers don't really care about you. They care about their results. They care about their all India rank students. But what about the students who struggle, bhai? What about the students who actually struggle? They flex their AIR1 students, but what about the students who didn't qualify the exam? They will make you feel like, oh, without us you are nothing. You cannot crack NEET or any other exam without us. But guess what? That's an absolute lie. Coaching is just a tool, not a guarantee. Self-study beats coaching any day. Because you might have also heard very famous teachers saying you only get 6 hours for coaching centers or for online classes or for whatever it is. But the rest of the day, 6 to 7 hours, is for self-study. Self-study is gonna get you to where you are. When I was studying from not online, but from coaching centers, or it might be local, it might be a franchise, anything, I was literally failing each and every mock test. I wasn't getting time to study. So find a good mentor, but don't blindly follow the rat race, the coaching type shit. No, you're not gonna do that. You just have to get whatever the hell they're teaching into the class. जो भी उन्होंने lectures में पढ़ाया है, that is your first priority. उसके बाद just come home, read the books, and self-study. This is the only thing that is gonna get you to literally whatever you want. Literally whatever you want. Repeated failure and mental breakdown. Lakhs of students are giving exam every year, but only few thousand seats are there. So that means student will face failure some multiple times, and the worst part, many will feel like their life is over after failing NEET. One exam does not define your future, but the system makes you feel like it does. And I want to say कि नहीं यार, this exam defines who I am. Of course, if you're going to clear it, it will define who you are. You are going to become a doctor. But if you don't, you're going to become a failure in your own eyes, in the eyes of the people you love, in the eyes of people that are believing in you, especially your parents, your friends, your society, your ताने मारने वाले रिश्तेदार. You know what I'm talking about. So if you take a drop smartly and don't be like a fool. Like I was once, but I'm not right now. So just don't study harder, but study differently and have a plan B. There are so many medical career options beyond MBBS. So yeah, have plan B. Now, if you're going to talk about the fifth most important topic, destroying your health. Raise your hand if your study routine looks like this: sleeping for 4 hours, drinking 4 to 5 cups of coffee, zero exercise, junk food 24/7. So what you have to do is learn to say no. पहली चीज तो your friends are eating junk, learn to say no. Your friends are taking you out, learn to say no. Get a proper 7 hours का sleep, not negotiable यार, यहाँ तो negotiation है ही नहीं. Take 6 to 7 hours का sleep every single day. और जब exam pass आने लग जाए like 2-2.5 महीना पहले, you can reduce that time a little, but 7 or maybe 6 hours is enough. Eat brain boosting foods like nuts, fruits, water. These are gonna help you a lot, and stay hydrated. Hydration is really important. Move your body. 10 minutes is enough. 10 minutes are sufficient. You don't need to go to gym to be physically active. No, you just have to take a 10 minutes walk. Either it can be you from your home to the library you go, or to your a nearby park. It could be anything. And the last thing, is NEET worth it? Is NEET actually worth it? Are these competitive exams, except apart from NEET, are they worth it? I'm not saying that NEET is not worth it. I'm just saying that these exams are not for weak. That, and it does not mean that you should kill yourself over it. The dark side is real, but if you have the right mindset, you can actually survive. So tell me in the comments, what is the hardest part of NEET preparation for personally you? Let's support each other. Like if this helped, subscribe for more, and remember, you got this.